I wanted to start by just a little introduction of ASM, and then we're going to have folks actually affiliated with ASM come up and speak more in depth about that. So no worries. Thank you. So I wanted to emphasize that ASM is a powerful community, and as part of this community, you can help to advocate for policies that are rooted in science, grow your skill set, and shape the future of microbiology, share your expertise, and help guide the next generation by becoming things like ASM volunteers, ASM distinguished lecturers, and you can really help with growing ASM by donating to one of ASM's funds and support and elevate the microbial community. There are opportunities. If you go to join ASM, you can peruse all of said opportunities for you to level up as a scientist. There are virtual journal clubs, professional development, premium discounts on any CE credited courses and webinars, and you can also get high visibility for your research through ASM's top-ranked peer-reviewed journals. ASM also has a Connect portal, if you go to that link there, where you can build meaningful connections, connecting with 31,000 peers online instantly. You can share, collaborate, and innovate with your colleagues and experts in the field every day. So enroll in the ASM Connect online platform to engage in that conversation and exploration. You can also expand your local network through branch meetings. If you do move out of this location, we have ASM branches all over the US. There is a portal to peruse which is your local branch and make it easy for you to connect with your local scientific community and participate in career and professional development activities. So that being said, if you want to supercharge your professional journey, you can access the Microbiology Career Salary Survey, as well as other career sources here at the ASM Career Professional Development site. You can search their job board, you can stay up to date on industry trends, find tips and advice on career paths in microbiology, as well as attending any of their educational webinars. Okay, so ASM also has a public policy and advocacy portal. If you want to learn more about ASM's recent and ongoing advocacy efforts, please visit this site. And you can look for ways to engage in advocacy yourself at the local or national level. That said, we hope to see a lot of you at ASM Microbe this summer. It's only a month away in LA, June 19th to 23rd. You can join thousands of scientists, researchers, and healthcare professionals in your field who are all traveling to LA this year for the largest microbial sciences gathering in the world. You will hear from John Hellman and Anne Remoyne, who are just some of the world-renowned speakers that are lined up in this scientific program. If you have to miss this one, next year's will be in DC around the same time. There are opportunities from our branch to support early career branch members to attend ASM Microbe. We can award three early career branch members a $1,650 award each to attend ASM Microbe. You apply in the fall. So if you forgot to apply last year or you're really interested in applying this year, please remember for the fall meeting, we will put out that portal to apply. Please do, okay? It's a really easy opportunity for you to get funding to travel. That said, I want to congratulate our winners this year. We have Anil Kumar, who's a postdoctoral research associate in the Department of Biochem and Microbiome at Rutgers University, New Brunswick. And they mentioned that attending ASM 2025 will allow them to connect with leading researchers and experts in microbiome, particularly those that are studying environmental microbiome and microbial diversity. And they really value that they can foster collaborations by engaging with researchers that have similar interests with them in soil microbiomes and biogeochemical cycles and microbial ecology. We also have Zachary Lonergan, who's an assistant professor in the Department of Biochemistry and Microbiology at Rutgers University. And they mentioned that as a new faculty member, it's their goal to attend this 2025 ASM meeting to communicate their research and recruit members at a pivotal stage in their group's growth, especially at this meeting where there's a broader audience of microbiology-oriented scientists. And then we have our Arkayoti Dutta, who's a postdoctoral associate in the Department of Plant Biology at Rutgers University. And they mentioned that attending ASM 2025 is very important for them to showcase their progress in the field of toxin ribosome interactions in front of an international, diverse, and really talented audience. So they're also looking forward to forming a collaborative network between scientists from different spheres of microbiology. So congratulations to our 3 awardees for this year. And we hope that you get everything that you want out of ASM Microbe. And everyone who is attending, please go attend their talks or posters to connect with them at this national meeting or international meeting. Okay. So today's symposium is brought to you by the Theobald Smith Society. Dr. Theobald Smith is one of the greatest American bacteriology pioneers. Their contributions are manifold and of far-reaching significance. Of his many contributions, which are recorded in some 280 publications, Theobald Smith is perhaps best known for his work in Texas fever in cattle. He discovered the protozoan agent and the means of transmission by ticks, and opened the way for the explanation of this transmission of human disease, such as yellow fever and African sleeping sickness. Theobald Smith came to New Jersey in 1915 to become director of the Department of Animal Pathology at the Rockefeller Institute for Medical Research in Princeton, where he remained until 1929 when he became emeritus director. Dr. Smith was a member of numerous scientific and medical societies and associations and held major offices in many of them. He received 12 honorary degrees from leading universities and 11 medals, among which was the Copley Gold Medal of the Royal Society, regarded as one of the highest scientific awards in the world. The Theobald Smith Society now aims to facilitate interactions among its members, stimulate investigations in microbiology and related sciences, disseminate the results of microbiology research carried out by microbiologists in New Jersey's industry, government, and academia, and encourage microbiology-related research by students and provide a means by which these students can present their research findings at the annual meetings. So that's why we're all here today, to engage in this promotion of the advancement of microbiology and related fields in New Jersey. We want to remind you that attendance today does require that you are a TSS member. So if you weren't able to enroll online, please find Valerie Carabetta to pay your membership. It's just $5 for students, $25 for regular memberships. And if you want a lifetime membership, that's $200. And that all goes to supporting our awards as well as all of the symposia that we put on. So I want to thank the TSS officers who really helped with making today go off without a hitch. We have me, who's leaving as president after today, and then President-elect Sam Yadavali, who will be president starting tomorrow. Valerie, who is our treasurer, Jeff Boyd, who is our branch counselor, and Ray, who's outside still, who is our secretary. So thank you, all of you. That being said, if any of you want to join the TSS board and help us to continue building a strong community of microbiologists across New Jersey, please find us today to discuss how you can go about doing that. I promise you it is a lot of fun, so you hardly recognize any work, if any, that you have to put in. So we would love to gain your expertise and your perspectives by being part of our board. I want to review the Fall 2024 Symposium. I think our attendance at each of these symposia just keeps growing. So our Fall Symposium was held on Friday, November 8th at the Institute for Marine and Coastal Sciences at Rutgers. The program featured ASM Distinguished Lecturer Sean Crossan. We also heard from Sam Yadavali, who is our 2024 Young Investigator Award recipient. We also had speakers who were invited to give short talks by virtue of their interesting abstracts. These included Precious Newman from the Department of Biomedical Sciences at Cooper Medical School of Rowan University. We had Arkayoti Dutta from the Department of Plant Biology at Rutgers University. Lisa Vieras from the Center for Advanced Biotechnology and Medicine at Rutgers University. Amir George from the Department of Pharmacology, Physiology, and Neuroscience at Rutgers New Jersey Medical School. Naima Zahir and Sarah Krisak, who provided a joint presentation from Montclair State University in New Jersey. And we had Duhita Sant from the Center for Advanced Biotechnology and Medicine, also from Rutgers University. We wanted to acknowledge again the poster research presentation awardees. We had Devi Kumari Dakal Gwadel from the New Jersey Institute of Technology, Irene Goldwasser from Rutgers University, and Luke Foster from Rutgers University. Each winner received monetary awards sponsored by the Theobald Smith Society, as well as 2025 ASM memberships sponsored by Dr. Lisa Viras, who was our 2024 U.S. Young Ambassador and is now the 2025 U.S. Young Ambassador for the New Jersey area. Today, we have a record number. We have 68 posters and close to 150 registrants, but there are many of you who did not register, so the number is much higher than that. And I want to announce that today's grand prize for the poster winner is going to be 2026 ASM membership, as well as an ebook, again, provided by Dr. Lisa Viras. And that's only to the first place poster presenter, but all three will also receive some monetary award from TSS. Okay, so that brings us to today's lineup. So up next, we're going to have Dr. Viras tell us about the prerequisites of joining the ASM.